Remember, remember, always remember. Children whose parents died, children conscripted to fight. Do you know their stories? December 2007, a resolution for the Assyrians. 24th of April, Armenians' Day. 30th of May, Memorial Day. Remembrance Day Sunday, UK. World War I, League of Nations. World War II, United Nations. Yom HaShoah, April 28th. 100 days for the Rwandan Tutsi. Oh, don't forget, the Great Catastrophe.
Last June, a new word crept into the headlines: genocide. The figures varied widely. The Red Cross estimated that 1,000 were dying every day.
The dying continues.
9th of December, CPPCG, Article 2, A, B, and C, Article 3, A, B, C, D, E. So what about we? Machonogi. It's not that deep. It's that deep. 6 million, 6 foot deep. Mom was 9, Dad 15, conscripted, no military training, guns, blood, corpses, wailing. We are the children of the children who survived. Children whose parents died. Children conscripted to fight.
Now conscription of virtually all able-bodied young men is underway. How old are you?
I'm 10 years.
10 years old.
Yes.
Do you know why Biafra is fighting?
Biafra is fighting for survivors.
We are the children of the children who survived. Children whose parents died.
They are killing our parents, our brothers, our fathers, and even ourselves. Most of our parents are shot in the farm. Our homes are destroyed. Parent women are also murdered. Even children.
Even the children, it seems, must be told that Biafrans must fight or be massacred.
Two generations down the line, I want to interview the people in diaspora to find out about their experiences during the war. He said, fine, cool, let's do it. But I want to interview you first. I want to know your story. I said,
okay. I need to remember all that.
how bad could it have been that on that topic he would never speak? Cognitive dissonance, amnesia, defeat.
Yeah, no, but it's still having to film 3 more.
I know. What I'm saying, I don't have to repeat it because it's there.
Oh.
It's good for it to be said,
But say something
as well as...
Do you know their stories? Or would you rather know the pain of losing a parent who was too traumatized to tell his own story. Have you seen a dead body? Your mate's, your mom's, or even your dad's dead body? Do you forget?
Hold on.
Who would forget?
Hold on.
Would they forget? Lest we forget. He left before I could crown him with his glory. Nobody knows tomorrow, and I'll never know. And death is the only obstacle. So go and ask your parents what they know. That is your story, your legacy.
Only 20 miles away, the refugee children are fed with their one meal a day.
Oh God. We are the children of the children who survived. Let's tell their story. Let's help them tell their story. Let them tell their story.
Let's talk. Let's do it. This is the time for us to do it. Mandi nacho iga noro nke ha. Mandi no na Nigeria. Ịchọkwa ịnọ na nke gị, ị ga-ejiriri okwu Igbo gaa nọrọ na nke gị. Mara na ịbụ n'ala Igbo ka ị nọ.
It's a good idea for people to be educated and told about our history, where we were, where we're going to, and that was what brought this idea.
Remember, always remember. Ndibanye ekene mu
ọrụ ni aka ọzọkwa
Imeela.
Thank you.